Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Kamrul Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 2, today I am going to take your computer class. And now today's topic is short question answer from chapter 3. And the name of this chapter is The Keyboard. So all of you take your computer book and it will be helpful for you to understand the question answer. So dear students, all of you go to page number 20. So let's start our class. Today we will discuss short question answer from this chapter, and our first question is number 1, which is given before. What is the use of alphabet keys? So you all know what is the use of alphabet keys, and you will also get the answer in your book. Now look here, alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are used for typing letters and words. So what is the use of alphabet keys? Alphabet keys are used for typing letters and words. Now the next question answer, number 2, how many types of keys are there on the keyboard? So how many types? We all know there are different types of keys on the keyboard. Now look at this picture. How many types of keys are there? Alphabet keys, function keys, number keys, space bar, enter key and arrow keys. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is there are 6 types of keys on the keyboard, and they are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, space bar, and the last one, enter key. So these are our keys: function, arrow, space bar, enter, number keys. So now look, number 3. Why do we use a space bar? It is also given in your book. So why do you use a space bar? Now look here in the space bar. The space bar is used to give a space between numbers, letters and words. So our answer is the space bar is used to give space between numbers, letters and words. So you can get your answer from your book. You will make your answer from the book. Now number 4. What are called keys on the keyboard? So what are called keys on the keyboard? Do you know? Yes, I know all of you know the answer. And now look, it's written there. A keyboard has many small buttons called keys. So we will make our answer from this sentence. And a keyboard has many small buttons called keys. And you can also add this number. The keys are used to type letters, numbers, symbols, etc. So why do you use keys? To type letters, numbers, symbols, etc. Now question number 5. Why do we use enter key? Why do we use? Now look here. The enter key is used to go to the next line. So we use enter key for what? Our answer is we use enter key to go to the next line. Now the last one, question number 6. What do you need to write something on the keyboard? So what do you need? We all know this is key. We need a what? Keyboard. This is a keyboard. We need to write something, isn't it? So now look, you can get the answer from the first sentence of the chapter. We need a keyboard to write something on the computer. We can also add, we have to type the words using the keys of the keyboard. So if you type a word or a letter using the keyboard, it will be shown in the monitor screen. That means we need a keyboard to write something on a computer. So these are the 6 questions we have discussed today. And my dear students, there is a homework for you, homework number 3, and I repeat, homework number 3, and all of you will mention the homework number in your SW copy while you while doing your homework. And your homework is from short question answer 3 and 4 chapter 3, that means short question 3. Why do we use space bar? And number 4, what are called keys on the keyboard? You will do short question number 3 and 4 as your homework. So my dear students, that's all for today, and in our lesson we discussed short question answer from chapter 3, that means from the keyboard. So my dear students, all of you will do your assigned homework in your SW copies, and you will submit all your SW copies on every Sunday in the school library within 8 am to 4 pm. And it's very important because your SBA and city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copy. So all of you do your homework regularly and submit your homework on time. So that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's topic. Study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.